Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 8 build 7762. So let's create a new virtual machine here, and we'll just go through this. We'll go to Windows 8, and we'll call this Windows 8 build 7762. We'll click next. That's fine. So for the RAM, we're going to give this 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is the max. We'll give it 2 CPU cores just because. We're gonna put in the ISO now, so let me put in the ISO, wait, no, my drive, I'm pretty sure it's in ISO archive, wherever that is, ISO archive, Windows 8 and 8.1 builds, 7762, close, finish, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we are going to now install this build. So for the time bomb, we have to put October 2nd, 2010, because this build was compiled on October 10th, so we're going to do October 11th as the time bomb. Because, yeah, why not? So, oh my god, this thing is taking forever to load. So we're going to go to October 11th. Oh my gosh, this thing is taking so long. 2010, so let's set this at 2010. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to exit saving changes. Okay. And now we should be booting up into the setup. So let's see what's happening. Windows is loading files. Very, very nice. And of course, we still have the Windows 7 boots. Okay, this is probably because there's 2 CPU cores. So we're just going to get rid of one of the CPU cores. We'll just set this to 1. And we'll try booting the virtual machine now. And see if we have the same issue or if it will actually boot. So Windows is loading files. And we're back at the Windows 7 boot screen, and we still have a, maybe it's because of the RAM. I mean, 4 gigabytes of RAM, I don't know why that would be a problem, but let's just lower it. Okay, now we have 2.8 gigabytes of RAM. Let's hope that things work. I'll be back when something interesting happens. Alright, so we're back, and I got some suggestions that said to set the compatibility mode to version 9, so let's just do that. Workstation 9X, okay, we're gonna set this to 64-bit just in case it is 64-bit. I don't know if it is, but we're just gonna try. So build 7762, sure, 4 gigs of RAM, next. Sure. We'll just use this, cause why not? So yeah, we'll just speed run through this entire setup process. So, we'll go to the ISO archive, right here, and let's try this again. Alright, so we have to change the BIOS date to sometime after October 10th. So let's try to do this. For some reason entering the setup is taking forever. I don't know why. But okay. We're gonna go to, October 31st, 2010. So that seems like a perfect, you know what, we're gonna just type 2010 here. Okay, we just messed up. So 201, okay. What? Is it lagging or something? Okay, there we go. Exit, no, oh my god. Exit saving changes, yes. Okay, so now we should be booting into the setup. Let's hope that this works. Windows is loading files. And yes, that fixed it. So we are now in here. So we can just click on the next button, install now. And now we're in setup is starting. So that's good. So yeah, let's just go through this. We're gonna choose professional. Next. I accept license terms. Next. Custom. Next. And yeah, we're gonna just continue from there. So yeah, time lapse. Alright, so now we're in the out-of-box experience, so we're just gonna type in, let's type in 7Z, I haven't done that in a while. We'll put Win 8 build 7762, go to next, not use a password, not use a product key, ask me later. Yeah, this is a home network. Alright, so we are in, and we have the let's not leak our hard work wallpaper, which says this development build is for internal Microsoft development use only. Yeah, definitely for development use only. So we got a send feedback button, which was, yeah, send feedback button. We've got the Windows 7 start menu. So what are we gonna do now is, let me go download some stuff real quick. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put in VMware tools, because I want to see if VMware tools will get installed or if it will just completely destroy the entire build. So as you can, but before we do that, I want to check out like the wallpapers, because there is actually something important in the wallpapers. So let me just put in VMware tools first. So before we even start this, we're oh my god, this is taking forever. Can I like put the disk into the drive? It cannot put the disk into the drive. Alright, so the virtual machine just booted back up after crashing, and I want to show you guys the wallpaper is called Harmony, so they just replaced the wallpaper file, so that's just stupid. But anyways, let's run VMware tools here. Let's run setup. Let's run setup. Okay, setup. Because even though this was a 64-bit CPU, it's a 32-bit operating system, because this was the x86 release. And let's hope that VMware tools will actually install. So I'll be back when something interesting happens. Alright, so we're back and VMware Tools is installed. As you can see here, VMware Tools is installed. And yeah, we are in the build. We can, we are in the build. We can run WinVer. You can see Windows 7 Professional is what it's saying it is, but it's actually Windows 8. The NT version is still 6.1, which is strange, even though this is a Windows 8 build. This is an early Windows 8 build, so yeah. Wait, so this evaluation copy expired on October 1st. So, but the date is set to, okay, so the date is actually set to today, December 31st, 2024. Yeah, I'm recording this in 2024. So does that mean we can get a YouTube video uploaded on here? Okay, that would actually be insane. Let's try doing that. So I'm gonna get a Supermium ISO. We're gonna put that in. We're gonna open up the my computer. We're gonna run this 32-bit. Let's see if we can actually get this installed, because that would be really funny. Okay. We'll close the auto run. Yes, we want to install Supermium, which is a web browser. I should probably do a video on Supermium at some point. I don't think I will, but I probably should do a video on it. But we're gonna install for all users. Create a shortcut. Okay. And it's installed. Let's run this and see how well this goes. Okay, will not sign in. Don't set as a default browser. Oh my gosh, we are in Supermium, but will modern websites work? We're gonna go to my website. So let's see if this works. And it does work. Version 1.74. It hasn't been updated in a while. You can see the newest video. It shows us unboxing a light. We also have more subscribers. We have 465 now. This still says 461. But anyways, let's go to like Google. Google. So we can go to google.com here. We can go to Beta Wiki if we want to. So let's just go to Beta Wiki if we want. Or we could actually search up Windows. We could search up this build. We could search up this exact build. Go to this build in Beta Wiki. And oh my god, this is the actual build. You can see here, build 7762, and we are on the page for build 7762. This is insane. So that's insane. So let's open up the send feedback applet, because I want to show you this, and tell Microsoft about your experience. It just says that. It doesn't say anything else. So if we go to control panel home, we could see control panel, change your desktop background. We could change the background if we want. So yeah, personalize. We can go to the personalization. This is like very nice. You want to change the wallpaper? We can change the wallpaper, of course. We can change the wallpaper to this if we want, which actually looks much better with this. This is build 7762, and it says down here this copy of Windows is not genuine. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have this in the thumbnail shot. We'll also get WinVer opened here. We'll do this, because this is where the fact that we actually have the build running. So we'll open up the My Computer properties as well, because why not? And as you can see, we've got that as well. So yeah, we're actually gonna be running. We're gonna be putting this. This is like the funniest thing ever. This is gonna be the thumbnail shot. Yeah, this is gonna be the thumbnail shot. This is freaking hilarious. We got the build installed, and then we got the beta wiki page for the build installed as well. So yeah, that's pretty funny. But yeah, anyway, this is an early build of Windows 8. There wasn't really that much to explore. I just wanted to explore this build because it was like pretty interesting, and it had a couple of new features. So yeah, anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in the next video.